Hi everyone, welcome to the Code.org Game Lab for Beginners series. I'm Lansing, and in this series, I'll show you how to make your very own game and animations. No coding experience needed. Each episode will learn something new, from creating sprites and animations to adding movement, sound, and game logic. By the end of this series, you will be able to make your own animated comic, alien jumper, and hungry bunny game. Open up code.org and let's start creating together. Don't forget to hit subscribe to GenZ224 and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Hello friends, so once you are there, type code.org. Then you need first to create an account. You can create, for example, on create account and select sign up as a student. So you can enter your email address, password, etc. here, or if you are using your Gmail, so select sign up with Google, select the account, for example this, then confirm. But for now I have already an account, so I'll go back to my account. So in that case, if you have already an account, click on sign. Now I have already my credential here saved, so I'll click on sign. Now once you are here, for the first time, so click on the three bar at the right side and select learn. So once you click on learn, you have the two options. Select this one, explore learning for ages 11. Now you have this one, but we are interested in the first one here, so select this one. Now you'll be here. So once you are here, you can explore, for example, some sample programs. So I'll show you this. For example, I'll show you this one, and to explore, click on run. This one example, click on finish and continue. You can do the same for the other one. Again, click on run. You can play this one by clicking on, typing on the space bar. So I'll show you one other example, hungry bunny. Click on run here. So type on the space bar. You can play like this. So that's it. Then click on finish. Click on continue, then click on finish here. Now we are here, and let's read the instruction. We have instructions here. So welcome to Game Lab, where you can create interactive animation and the games. You have already practiced the basic of putting shapes on the grid. In Game Lab, you'll do the same with the display area on the left. So this one, do this. Look at the line of code. So this one of the space bar. So this the space. The workspace below this instruction, and predict where you think the shape will be drawing on the grid. Click on run. So what do you think the shape will be drawn? So this, it will be drawn here. Let's me x 100, y 100. So that will be go 100 here, up later. Okay, yes, about here. Yeah, so that's it. And now let's click on run. Yeah, that's it. So, and let's go to the next, and the next will be the video. So let's go to the using the grid. So you can watch the movies or the videos, which is the next, but I'll go to the level 4 as a lesson. So here we have another thing we will do together. So a big part of using GameLab is understanding position. Remember, you can always turn on the grid. This one, you can turn on the grid here, or hover with the mouse to help find the X and Y position you want. Do this. Place two rectangles exactly in the corners of the screen, just like the picture, like this. So we'll place one here and we'll place one here. And here you might see the X is 0 here and Y is 0. And here the Y is 350 and Y as well is 350. So we'll do this. We'll modify this 3. We'll put here 0 and Y 0. And let's draw one once again for the second rectangle. And let's put 350 and for Y 350 as well. Then let's click on run. That's it. So that's all for today for this lesson, and we'll continue the next episode for the next lesson. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends, so that will help me to share more tutorials with you. Thank you and stay safe. Bye bye.